Analyze the standalone result of Kotak Mahindra Q2 result of financial 2021. Revenue is around 8,288. Profit at 2,184. EPS is 11 rupees 04 paise. If you compare with previous quarter, revenue up by 7.9%, net profit up by 75.6%, and same period last year comparison, revenue up by 3.8% and profit up by 26.7%. It's a fantastic result. See the consolidated results of Kotak Mahindra Q2 financial 2021 results. Revenue is around 13,591 crores. Net profit is around 2,947. Earning per share is 14 rupees 89 paise. If you compare with previous quarter, revenue up by 10.3%, profit up by 59%. And if you compare with the same period, same quarter last year, the comparison revenue up by 8.4%, profit up by 29.9%. It's a great result. The highlights of some standalone result. The PAT were increased to 2,184 crores from 124 crores, up by 27%, and net interest income is 3,913 crores and it's up by 17%. Interest margin NIM is 4.52. Let's see about Kotak Mahindra Group. It's established in 1985, and on February 2003, the Kotak Mahindra Financial Limited got a banking license from RBI as a landmark. That is the first NBC, that is non-banking financial company, is converting into a bank, that is Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited. Kotak Mahindra Bank comes up with the following operations: commercial banking to stockbroking, mutual funds, life and general. As on end of this quarter, 30 September 2020, the consolidated net worth of stand at 78,889 crore, and it subsidiaries operate in UK, USA, Gulf region, Singapore and Mauritius, with office in London, New York, Abu Dhabi, Singapore and Mauritius. As 30 September 2020, national footprint of 1,602 branches with 2,250 ATMs in branches in Gift City as well as Dubai. DIFC. Around 1,602 banks. North has 30% with 485. East has very less with 8% of 122 branches. South also has 500, that is a huge percentage of 500 branches with 31%, and West also is with the same 31% of 495 branches. So total consolidated is 1,602 branch. Branch classification: metro has 45%, and semi-urban has 18%, rural has 16%, and other remaining has 21%. Of ATMs in Kotak Mahindra Bank is around 2,550 ATMs around India. As closed by the price of 1,410, up by 27 points. My recommendation is to buy for a long term investment whenever the correction happens. See, during the COVID period, it was corrected to 1,000 rupees. So that is our best entry points. And I am not a SEBI registered investor advisor, so check with your advisor before investing in the stock, because stock market is a huge investing in stock market is a huge risk. Thank you. Have a nice day.